Hi guys, it's Millie Bobby Brown here, and today I'm going to show you our new launch with Florence by Mills. I am so excited to show you my new collection, What's My Line, the 12-hour long wear eyeliner. They're all named after the things that I experience at work. So we have the classic black called Action. We have the bright white that's called Cut. We have the pastel blue that's called Rolling. This is the perfect brown called Cool Time. And we have our Florence purple called Wrap. This formula is really great because it lasts 12 hours and the texture is amazing. My favorite part of this collection and these eyeliners is the Easy Grip component. Having this Easy Grip component, it just makes it 10 times easier to apply the eyeliner, and I am obsessed. The formula lasts 12 hours. Another thing that I love about these eyeliners is that you don't need a pencil sharpener, you just twist the bottom for more product. There are so many things that you can do with these eyeliners, but today I'm going to show you how to do a classic black cat eye. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to be using Action, and I already have kind of a base makeup on. So I start by just applying to the bottom right near my lashes, and I don't really like to bring my eyeliner in too close, so I just have it right on the end, and then I kind of just start with like a template and start to fill it in. Something I really love about these eyeliners is the formula and how creamy it is to apply. It's really hard when you have an eyeliner on your eyelids and the friction, it just doesn't work, and it's so easy to apply because of our creamy formula. It took us so long to figure it all out. Something I love about these eyeliners is the pigmentation. You know, what you see is what you get, and the color payoff is definitely there. I also love how smooth it is and how easy it is to apply. Okay, so we've done this eye. Now the hard part is doing the same thing on this eye. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is my look. I can't wait to see all of your looks. This is the What's My Line eyeliner.